Oh, my back. Oh, it says something about the sign, but anyways. I got the shoes. I got the toys. Okay. Yeah, not ready yet. Let's see. Installate. Drama bowl. No. Ski boots. Tom's shoes. I don't know. Keys. SAS. Yep. Size 8. That's the best. I'll take them. Oh, Pentax film camera. Old school film cameras. Jeans are $2 here. That's men's. Abercrombie. For $2. Yep. $2. This is probably. This is probably. Okay. Let me take this. We're not gonna buy Gloria Vanderbilt Express for $2. I'll pass on Express. Deutsche Bank. What is this? Levi's 505. These could be men's pants. I think they are. Men's pants. Men's pants. Calvin Klein. Old school Calvin Klein. Made in the USA. Calvin Klein. Big patch. Hello, the Grace. The Eagles. Vintage American. Don't know what that is. Not too shabby McDaddy. Not too Tracy McGrady. The Admiral. Don't know what this is. Suits. Just make sure there's nothing. No big name suits. I have no idea what this is. I have no idea. I have no idea. Levi's $6.50 on this size. What? This thing is huge. Short. 60 by 30. What do I think that this is a good thing? I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take my chances with this. There's 3 of them. Voila. Old Navy, old school Wranglers. Not for 2. Dirty Levi's. Pass. Mark Yetto. Honey and lemons. $1. No, it's wrinkled. Nice. Real nice, real nice. I mean, if it'll fit them, you could try it. It's probably like $1, right? No, it's not dirty. It's not dirty. Take it down there. This is nice. I'm gonna take that. Salt water Izod fish shirt. That's nice. This is cool. North Carolina. Faded though, but it's really faded though. That's another one. Outer Banks, North Carolina. Oh man. $1. Manhattan. This is nice. Oh, another Outer Banks. I think I'm gonna take this one though. Ooh. Woohoo! Nice. This is nice. I'm gonna go put these down. What is this? Columbia? Ooh, this is nice. Is this custom ripped? Oh, no. This is custom. They really ripped this shirt. I like it. I'm buying it. That's Predator. Oh, wow. Look at this hat. Look at this hat. Bass Predator footwear. That's a nice hat. That's a nice hat. Now this is $5. Wow, that's $5. This is comfortable. That's very comfortable. think it's gonna break though, but I want this chair. Yeah.
Is it lean enough for you?
No, it's good. You would think that something like this is more popular, but it's like too loud. Like, why do females decide, like, you know, I'm not wearing this shit? But at the same time, when you look at it, it's just like, this is like super nice. Like, if you walk anywhere, people, it's just gonna, they have to, right? Oh, they're not expensive at all. You look to be fatigué. You didn't sleep right?
Literally just struggle.
Oh no, I slept good.
Of course you did. You had all
Should watch a movie today. I haven't watched a New Year movie. No, this is men's. Okay. Well, I guess I'll sell it. I got that potentially for Lennox. Oh, you dropped it? Look what I got. I got it because it looks interesting. Because look at it, right? Columbia, but it's custom. It's a custom rip.
Yeah.
This is a custom job. Like they really.
Fine.
I mean, a gym shirt.
It's a gym shirt. People guys like to have.
Yeah, it's
like
a gym
that,
shirt.
so.
The color's nice. And I'm like, I've never seen it before. 3X gym shirt. So it'll sell. $1.51 per item. 79 items for $119. Equals $1.51 per item. Not too bad.